To march to the Department of Health to show dissatisfaction with their working conditions. The march is to be led by the EFF. They claim that they're working 12 hours a day, but 4 hours is not paid. They're working unarmed, which poses danger to their lives, and they're understaffed. Aphumelele Mdlalane is there right now. Aphumelele, where are you and what is happening?
All I can say is that we just arrived at Bophelo House building. This is where, of course, the EFF leading the march of security guards will be handing over the memorandum of their demands. We know that security guards, they've written on their memorandum of demands that they've been working under strenuous conditions in the province, in the health department. I'm talking about the biggest regional hospital, which is Pilinomi, amongst others. They're saying that they're working overtime, but the salary has not been increased, and they've been raising this with the department until this far, where they wanted some intervention from the EFF to, of course, lead this march, so that they hopefully thinking that their demands will be met. Other things that they've been complaining about, it's the salaries, as I've just mentioned, and also saying that there will be people who will be just doing chaos within the hospitals, and they are not equipped. They are not equipped, of course. So they're saying they, of course, working under unsafe conditions, and they fear for their lives. And now we just arrived here. The march, of course, has started at Ramkral. Now we've arrived at Bophelo House, waiting for, of course, for an official from the Department of Health to receive the memorandum from the security guards. But we can see that this march is in solidarity. Security guards also wearing some EFF t-shirts, saying that, of course, they would go with the people, they supporting them if needs be, that they stop from voting for the people they were voting. They will stop, because what they want, of course, they fighting for their rights. They saying also their rights needs to be heard, because what they do for the people, it's making their lives to be in danger. Just now, the EFF secretary Busankum Simanga in the province was just addressing them, telling them that okay, they've arrived on the destination, but now we're waiting for the official side, a delegate, of course, to just receive the memorandum. All I can say is that it's been a standstill, of course, when it comes to the traffic, and police visibility has been, of course, and police are in large numbers here just to monitor the situation. But so far, all I can say is that it's a standstill, and we're just waiting for the official from the Department of Health to, of course, receive this memorandum. But they are saying that they won't stop. This is just a right step to the right direction, saying that this is just to show them that they mean business. They are fighting for their rights like anyone. It shouldn't only be about the officials like the nurses who are who are working inside hospitals, that their issues are addressed, but them also, security guards are also part of the health department, and also they are important. Their lives and also their benefits should be addressed and put in order.
Aphumelele, working conditions are not necessarily a party conversation. Have you been able to talk to the EFF to find out why they've decided to follow this line in terms of making sure that generally security guards have improved working conditions?
We've, of course, talked to the EFF Regional Secretary Busankum Simanga, saying that, of course, they've been hearing, or there's been security guards coming forward to say that they've been writing grievances to the management, and also they've taken the matter to the labor to say that it's been since 2010 they've been complaining about same issues, about the conditions they're living under, and also what is happening there when they're supposed to guard at night, and also the places that they're sitting inside to when they guard at night. It's not safe. Basically, now the AFF was saying they will make sure that these issues are addressed, because also it's an important issue that needs to be addressed, especially that it's in the health sector, knowing that the regional hospital is situated here in Bloemfontein, which is Pilinomi Hospital, and it's always busy, patients coming in and out. Now they're saying that they will have to address this matter, and they will escalate it, of course, if their demands are not met, night as they giving 14 hours working days to get their demands back. But they will saying they will stand in solidarity. They will be supporting the security guards and also to make sure that their demands and their rights are addressed in order.
Aphumelele Mdladlane is covering that strike by the security guards in Bloemfontein, and she will give us an update as soon as government officials have come through to receive that memorandum. Blaine?
Let's get you some news further afield now. Ethiopian members of parliament have elected Sahle-Work Zewde as the country's first female president.